What is up, you guys? It is your girl Angel. I just got home from school and this is what came in the mail. It is a package from Alive Lab, and if you guys don't know, Alive Lab is a Korean brand. They make skincare and makeup, and apparently their cosmetics are made from natural components which are also good for your skin. As you can see, I haven't opened this yet. It is completely sealed, and that is because I wanted to show you guys my reaction every time I open a package. So yeah, this is gonna be an unboxing, first impressions kind of video. Oh, be careful with scissors, guys. Oh my goodness, my first impressions video and I can't even open this. It is open! Finally, after a decade. I have to film very fast because my camera is running out of battery. So the first thing in the box is this multi-ice milk, and there we go. It doesn't have an English translation, but I know that you're supposed to use this as a moisturizer. And then the second thing in the box is this true love story of emulsion. Also, the box doesn't have any English translation, just like other Korean brands. Ooh, and it looks like this. And then the second thing in the box is this True Love Story toner. Oh, this one looks pretty, and it looks like this. Okay, so I did some research about the True Love Story emulsion and toner. You can buy them as a set, but you can also buy them on their own. I will link the products down below. I will also link the places where you can buy it here in the Philippines, and also the prices are in the description box. Some ingredients really stood out for me, like the Western rose flower, centilla extract, bergamot fruit oil, eucalyptus leaf oil, winter cherry root extract, and cabbage rose water. So I'm probably not gonna try it on today. Please forgive me for that, but I will make a separate video and a proper review on these products just because my camera is already dying. I see it blinking red. So yeah, pinagpawisan talaga ako sa pag-open ng box na yun. Grabe, sobrang naka-tape talaga siya. Yeah, we reached the end of this video. If you like my short unboxing video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! I saw at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.